Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. There are a lot of videos you see on YouTube to help just about any issue that you could think of. There are even some to help issues I hadn't even thought of. But I'm going to give you a tip today that I guarantee will help. This one tip will help every issue you have, no matter what discipline you ride or what event you ride in. So, as we are, as riders, work our horse, we go through different issues like horse standing still to be brushed, leading correctly, going to the mount block and standing to let us get on at the mount block, or standing while we get on the ground. And if the horse gives us problems in any of those situations, there's a video out there that you can watch that'll help that'll show you how to fix that situation. But what very few videos actually do will give you advice that will help keep you from getting in that situation to begin with. And that's what this video today is about. I want to help you so that no matter what situation you get into, you don't have to run to YouTube and watch a video, see how to fix this situation. We've all heard, if you've been around horses any time, or even probably before you were around horses, that horses are herd animals. And horses are prey animals. And that's all true. But what does that mean to us as riders? Well, we know that they are generally wary of people because we are actually a predator, so they have to learn to trust us. But how does that affect us as riders? So, a horse in a herd situation, individually, all those horses are one is just as scared as the other, but they all find reassurance in the other one. They look at somebody in that herd as being the leader. The herds have a hierarchy, and there's always a herd leader in every herd. So, what I want you to ask yourself when your horse is not doing what you want him to do is, am I being the leader that my horse needs me to be? So, a lot of people get in a situation where the horse is not doing what the rider wants him to do, then the rider immediately goes into a defensive situation. They're hanging on, or if the horse won't stand in a mount block, they're pulling and say, please stand, please stand. They're not really being the leader, which makes the problem worse. So in order to get yourself into a mindset that will help all of your problems get better, start asking yourself, am I being the leader that my horse needs me to be? That will get you out of that reactive mode and get you into that being a leader, tell your horse to do something mode. So that one piece of advice, it's small words, but it's a big deal. Next few times you're riding and the situation comes about, I want to hear from you on how you asked yourself, am I being the leader my horse needs me to be? And what did you do? Don't be afraid of doing the wrong thing. Do something to be the leader to your horse. I heard a saying one time that no decision is worse than the wrong decision. And in many cases, I believe that's right. You can always learn from a wrong decision. You can't learn from not making a decision at all. So if you're working your horse and you get in a situation where your horse is not doing what you want it to do something to be the leader for that horse. So I want to thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button and the thumbs up button, and leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Until next time.